One up?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Don't mind me. I just like elevators. All right. All right. This is the other elevator at the Town of Cary parking garage in Cary, North Carolina. This could be a 3300 or 3300 XL. Yep. P2. Installed in 2019. I'm stopping on P6. Going down?
Yes, we are.
What level?
Library.
She's sleeping.
Oh, this is the library.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
We're on time. Gotta go all the way down.
Yeah, we're going down first.
Oh.
But I'll be happy to select your floor for you.
I'm going P5.
All right.
No big head.
All right. You said P5, right?
Are you getting off or?
No.
No.
I'm getting off on P3.